In this guide, you'll learn how to recover lost iPhone contacts after deleting email account using multiple effective methods. Method 1. By re-adding email account. If your contacts were originally synced with an email account, the easiest way to restore them is to add the account back to your iPhone and let it sync your contacts again. Step 1. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap Mail or Contacts depending on iOS version. Step 2. Tap Accounts, add account, and choose your email provider, such as Gmail, Outlook, or Exchange. Step 3. Sign in with your email address and password. Step 4. After signing in, make sure the contacts toggle is turned on. Step 5. Wait a few minutes for your contacts to sync back to your iPhone. Method 2. Using Coolmuster iPhone data recovery. If re-adding your email doesn't restore contacts, they may no longer be on the server. In that case, a professional iPhone data recovery tool like Coolmuster iPhone Data Recovery can help by deeply scanning your device or backups iTunes, iCloud to find and recover lost contacts, with a preview option before restoring. Step 1. Download and install the program on your computer, then launch it. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. When prompted, tap Trust on your iPhone to allow the software to detect your device. Step 2. After your iPhone is recognized, select Contacts and click Start Scan. Step 3. Once the scan is complete, you can preview all recoverable contacts. Finally, choose the contacts you want to restore and click Recover to Computer to save them to your computer. Method 3. From iCloud Backup. If you have backed up your iPhone to iCloud before deleting the email account, you can also restore all lost contacts on iPhone from the iCloud backup. Step 1. Open your iPhone and go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Tap Erase all content and settings to begin resetting your device. Step 2. After the reset process is complete, your iPhone will restart and display the setup screen. Follow the on-screen instructions until you reach the Apps and Data page. Step 3. From there, select Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign in with your Apple ID and choose the most recent backup that was created before your contacts were lost. Step 4. Wait for the restoration process to finish, and keep your device connected to Wi-Fi and power during the entire process to ensure a successful recovery. Method 4. From iTunes Backup. If you have previously backed up your iPhone to a computer, you can restore your contacts using iTunes or Finder. This method is suitable for users who regularly back up their device on a computer. Step 1. Connect iPhone to computer using a USB cable. Step 2. Open iTunes Windows or older macOS or Finder macOS Catalina and later. Step 3. Click the iPhone icon in the top left corner of iTunes or select your iPhone from the sidebar in Finder. Step 4. In iTunes, go to Summary and click Restore Backup on the right. In Finder, go to the General tab and click Restore Backup. Step 5. Select the backup created before you deleted your email account, then click Restore.